Is it tight?
Forked. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so gas tank's not going to fall off in the first 5 minutes?
Nope.
Good.
Maybe the second.
Yeah, we can't get, we had no vouching for second. We're going for the first couple minutes. That's all we care about. Okay, what else you got?
That's it.
That's it?
Well, make sure it's neutral.
Why? Tires in the air, doesn't matter.
Should I put some fuel in it?
It has fuel in it.
What?
It has fuel in it.
No, I mean.
Where's your idiot light?
What?
Where's your idiot light?
Don't have one.
Yeah, you
I do?
Yeah.
Well, it's not connected to anything.
Does this work?
Alright.
Where's your battery?
Over here.
It's dark in here. Light come on? Nope.
What's that mean?
It's probably got a bad bulb in it. Or we got a bad ground. Which one do you think it is?
Bulb.
Think?
Oh.
How about that test light over there?
Over where?
Over there on the bench. Behind you, over there. Straight ahead. Put your hand out. Look for it. Something looks like a test light. Is that a test light?
Yes.
Does it look like one?
Yeah.
Good. Does it work?
I have no idea.
What if I touch that right there? Looks like everything else on this bike.
Does it?
Look how
Okay.
bright it is. You got another one?
No.
We're running out of testing vehicles here. How about that headlight bulb over there? I'll find something that's going to work. There we go. Got another jumper?
The jumper?
Go grab me that jumper off the wall up there. No, go grab me the jumper wire off the bloody clock up there.
Oh, little ones?
We're going to find something that has electricity goes through it, makes a light. Whatever it takes, we will find it.
Here you go. Grab the first one I saw.
Perfect. What color is it?
Gray.
I
Brown.
like that. Looks like a test light.
Grounded good.
Does it go on and out? There you go. Guess what I got?
New test light.
Test light. Maybe got a cushion device right here like that. Okay.
Jeez, does this thing not unfold?
Nope. Okay, hook that on your idiot, switch down under there.
All right.
You gotta go to juice.
What?
Look at the juice.
To where?
Where we got power. I'd go around the other side.
How about you go around the other
There's an
side?
idiot light right here, see? You can take it off your ignition. If you had access to your coil. Maybe some more juice. Get some length? Alright. Look at that, headlights on.
What does that mean?
Means you got juice.
All right.
It means we're ready to crank. First, you probably should choke it. I'm going to turn off the headlight for a minute. There you go.
Okay.
That cock on?
Yep.
Fuel going
Choke
down?
on. Yep. Look at that go. It's filling up the bulb.
It's making fuel.
Yeah.
You going to go right to ground?
No? It's definitely filling up that,
Look at that high flow design.
Whoop. Something's not right.
There you go. Carburetor's full. Making a mess?
Yeah, a lot of it.
Good. That's what that's for.
Yeah. How come it's doing that?
Because your float's stuck. Why don't you wipe it off? Up here.
Yeah, I know.
Perfect. That's good. What's in there?
What?
Where'd it come out of? This hose?
It came out these.
Yeah, that's good.
So that just means the float's stuck.
Anything inside there? Yeah, it's still dry in there.
That's good.
No, I got no fuel in there. How come your carburetor's on an angle? That's for when you're doing those reverse wheelies.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Nice, good job. You install it yourself?
No, you did.
I didn't put it on that way. You were over there dicking with it again.
Yeah, I had to make it solid because it was going to come off.
Well, now it's in the wrong direction, though.
You're in the wrong direction.
Well, I can tell. Okay, why don't you turn the choke on? It is on. Look at that. Is that on? Looks
Yeah.
like it's on. Okay. Jump up there and kick it.
All right.
Watch him break his leg.
Yep. Are we still at top dead center?
I don't know. Doesn't matter. Just kick it. You got compression? Good. I didn't tell you to turn the ignition on.
Oh.
I told you to kick it.
Well, it went first kick.
That doesn't surprise me. I'm waiting for the oil pressure to come on. Is the wire still on over there?
Let me check.
Over here. Oh, the whole battery cable came off over here. How come the light's not on yet?
I don't know.
I know they get oil pressure for that long. Pull that wire off, touch the ground, see if the headlight comes on.
Nothing. Oh, wait.
There it goes. Okay, touch the post of the switch again.
Wait. The switch is on there. Oh, there we go. That's a better connection.
Okay, now when you start up, quit rubbing it so bad. We'll see if it's got oil pressure.
Okay.
Choke still on?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Do you want me? No ignition?
Start it up.
Start it up?
I want to see if the light goes out. You always turn the damn choke off. That's why.
Well, you didn't tell me anything, man.
I figured you know how to run your own bike.
I was waiting for you to say something.
I'm waiting for the headlight to go out. Oh, fucking dumbass.
What? What? What now?
You're a dumbass.
What?
That's all I gotta say. So, this is called an idiot light switch, otherwise known as an oil pressure switch. The wire goes over here. This is called ground. This is called idiot light switch wire. That's what makes the light go over.
It wasn't going on before.
That means your switch is bad.
All right.
Dumbass.
I didn't know that.
I'm waiting for the fucking oil to come on. Wondering why there's no oil pressure. Jeez, you're a dumbass. Okay, see how the light's on now?
Yeah. So it does work.
Turn the ignition off. Kick it once. Stop. See how oil pressure? Went off.
Yeah.
Let it sit. Pretty good oil pressure.
What does that mean?
It means it still has oil pressure on that switch. Boom, the oil pressure just dropped away. What was that, about 40 seconds before
Yeah.
it bled off? That means you got a very, very tight oil system in the bike. Give it one more of these crappy ass kicks you give it. It's off already. It's back on. Kick it further. It's off. So that thing has a lot of oil pressure real quick. I bet you somebody put some thick ass oil in it. See, 70 weight holds oil pressure. Look at that. That's good. That's good oil pressure. There it is. Back on again. Okay, so what did we just test?
The oil pressure.
Oh, there you go. Okay, what about pulling the cork out and let's see if we got any oil return going on. Looks foamy already.
That's good.
Yeah, look at that. It must be making a lot of oil. So that means that's coming back. You notice how the tank's getting fuller too?
Yeah.
Yeah, imagine that. Wonder why.
I wasn't doubting it. Fucking nerd.
Yeah, that means the return side of the pump works real good too.
That means our oil lines were fucking sick.
Okay, we don't know if the idiot light for here is working yet though. Next is the generator test. Now you test your generator.
Put it over there.
We hook this over here on the armature terminal right here. The lights on.
Yep.
Start it up, see if the light goes off.
Ignition.
It might start as you get ignition, yeah. Generator's working. See the lights getting real dim. It's trying to go out if you ever turn the ignition up a little higher.
Yeah.
Maybe a little choke might help or get some throttle.
Whoop.
See how it goes off?
Yeah.
Okay, so what works?
Everything.
Ah!
You got zapped.
No. I got stuck.
Oh. I thought you got zapped.
Something over here poked me. That wire right there got me. Damn copper wire don't want to break off. Been drawing blood. Anything got me good.
Got you good, you fucker.
Okay, here, put this back on this.
Alright.
That sounds hot.
Yeah.
Why?
Because it works.
Alright. So what's our battery at right now? We are at still 2 amps.
Still charging.
Okay, so everything seems to work right now. Except for the carburetor going idle.
Probably needs a little clean.
Need a little adjustment.
Well, here, let me get the.
What was that?
1.5?
That was
Or,
adjustment.
no, yeah, it was 2.
I richened up a half a turn. That ought to fatten it up a little bit. Okay, start it up, see what it'll run. Strap still tight?
Choke?
Does it need it?
Let's find out.
Broke it.
Yeah, probably. That's usually what happens. Oh, follow through. There we go. Ignition.
On. What did you shut it off for?
I took the choke off.
Do you know how to use that other throttle over there instead of holding onto this grip?
Alright.
It's called keep motor running long enough to adjust it.
Okay. I don't know, man.
What about some gas?
It's open.
It was
Wait,
closed.
now it's open.
Did I mention dumbass earlier?
Yeah, you did.
Why? Is it flooding over yet?
What?
Is the carburetor flooding over now?
Yeah, it is.
It is or isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's
Shut it
flooding
off.
over a lot.
Well, turn it off again. It shouldn't still be flooding over. Okay, well, we'll have to see what we can do about that. All right, let's get it running again.
I got to clean up all the gas that it just spat out.
Well, instead of looking at it, you could turn the petcock off. So it runs really good until it runs out of gas, is that what you're saying?
Yeah. So it's probably just float needs to get fixed.
It needs some adjustment. Runs great.
Choke's on. What do you think?
I don't know. What are you doing?
I don't, dude.
Did you give any gas?
Yeah,
How much?
a little.
Try something different. Great backwards. Hit the brake a little bit. What's the brake? Hey, dumbass, give us some fucking throttle when you hit the brake.
All right.
Dumbass.
I fucking can't hear what you're saying,
We're
dude.
trying to load the motor a little bit.
I can't hear what you're saying.
What do you think's going to happen when it's idling and you hit the brake and it's in gear?
Fucking, I don't
It
know
might
what's
shut off, quit running?
going on.
It does.
Yeah. Okay.
It's smoking. That's called fuel vapor coming out. It's got a lot of standoff. It hits you out here.
Yeah.
Your leg's going to get wet riding it.
Oh well.
You notice how it's not flooding right now.
Yeah. It fixed itself.
It fixed itself. Yeah, got some fresh fuel running through it. Got the titties warmed up.
Yeah. Those nice little tits.
So what you got to do is you got to put it in gear, put a little bit of load on it, by giving it some gas like you're going down the road, and load it.
All right. Well.
Get some heat in the motor.
Should we adjust the clutch?
Why?
I don't know.
It was in gear, wasn't it?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay, there you go. Wasn't slipping, was it?
No.
Didn't seem like it. Taking the throttle, look like. All right, shut the gas off. Good enough heat in the motor, don't you?
I think so.
Did you get warm?
Yep. Yep.
Get warm.
Awesome.
Clutch doesn't work, but that's perfect. Brake barely works.
Gotta adjust that.
Adjust what, the gas tank?
The brake.
Oh.
I want to be able to stop.
Oh, well, you don't want to work in the brake, I don't know. It seems like you just rev it up and not even using your foot, so I'm not sure how the brake works, but
Yeah. It doesn't feel like it's doing anything.
it could kill the motor eventually.
Eventually.
Yeah. Maybe adjust the chain, lube it, a couple other things. And the clutch doesn't work at all, probably? Doesn't release?
I haven't really. Like, I felt like. I don't know, dude.
I don't know what all that stuff means. What's
Yeah,
that?
all that shit.
I know what means.
I don't know. I have no fucking clue, dude. I didn't feel anything.
Okay, see if it'll start up. See if the carburetor's halfway adjusted. All right, took 2 kicks.
Not bad.
That's not very good.
Well, it's me being a bitch.
That's only 50%. Should have started on the first kick. Why'd you break it?
I don't know.
Try it again, this time kick it, for real. Quit being a baby. Is the gas off?
Yes.
Good. Jack off. What was that? Did you have your tongue hanging out when you were doing that?
Yeah. Fucking sick.
Sounds like crap. Those short pipes got everything all screwed up.
Well, when we get the new ones on there, it'll be great.
The idle mixture is working, but not very sensitive. Carburetor's falling off the bike.
I had to tighten it so it wouldn't fall off the bike.
Tighten it next time straight. Okay, you are half, 1 1/4 out. Originally I screwed in like 3 turns in before I even got where it would run. So you're way out before. So I would say put the carburetor on the bike kind of square, might help it a little bit. Even though Macunis aren't super sensitive to this stuff, but wouldn't hurt.
Nah.
How's the oil tank to come up?
One pack down, I think. No, it's about the same.
Okay. So we're what about here? So 3 quarts have got you about half a tank.
Cool.
Because I assume most of it's coming out of the motor now.
Yep.
We have no oil out of the engine breather,
Which is brilliant.
which is this thing down here.
See if the my JB weld is good.
Well, it's not leaking on the rack, so I'd say it's good.
Fuck yeah, I did a good job.
Of course, I'm not gonna look at it. It might bite me into there. You get under with your tongue and look at it a little bit and see how it feels.
Probably warm.
The hot exhaust is right there too. The exhaust is gonna fall off unless you clamp them on there somehow. But
Yeah, no, we're gonna put. You said you wanted to do those.
well, I'd start up without the pipes. I don't care. It's quieter if you have no pipes on the bike. I'm getting attacked over here by the snake under here. Yeah, waste guns over here. There, fixed it. What are you over there, you stupid cell phone, jerking off with that thing again?
Oh, yeah.
All right. It is now 10 o'clock. It's past your bedtime.
It is. So, the exhaust.
The exhausts are on, or he's got to put clamps on them. You poked my finger too, it hurts.
I thought you were gonna do
Do what?
Are we gonna do the upsweeps?
Oh, I didn't. I already got the pipes mounted.
Let's do the upsweeps.
I know it's 10 o'clock already.
All right, so tomorrow we can do the upsweeps.
So I don't know. I got to work on an Indian at some point.
Let's do the upsweeps and
We'll see how I feel tomorrow.
the upsweeps and the clutch.
So you get the throttle cable you stuck way up in front of the fork now.
It's fine.
Maybe. Got to turn those handlebars and see if it's going to yank the cable out of the throttle up there.
All right.
It's pretty far forward. I don't know if it'll work there.
I can take it off and change it.
We just got to see if there's enough slack. If there's enough slack, it's fine. I just don't know if it's got enough slack.
Yeah. Well, you want me to turn it now?
Well, it's almost turned, but you got to do exhaust, so why worry about it? Get off the rack, you figure that out.
All right.
Okay, so you got a loop chain, adjust the chain, adjust the rear brake. I don't think the clutch is going to work with that lever you got up there because it's mismatched components.
It had the same angle as the last one that was on there.
Did the clutch work before?
Yes.
Okay, it doesn't work now, so there you go. So once you get it in gear or sit on the bike and see how it works, you'll see if it's working or not. Because right now there's no free play in it. None. And it might slip a little bit if you get on it. So you have to deal with that. Yeah, let's check for oil leaks tomorrow. Right now the rack was kind of clean underneath it. So I'd take that gas-filled rag right there and wipe down the whole rack. And underneath the bike too, if there's any wetness under there, and we'll determine if there's any leaks tomorrow. Then we got to charge the battery up too. Let's do that tomorrow. What was that? Was that your name?
Satisfaction.
What was your name? I thought it was. All right, that's it for tonight. It made noise.
Hell yeah, it did.